World Cancer Day was celebrated on the 4th Feb, and this entire month we have a lot of activities for the World Cancer Awareness. And I thought, let me make a video on bursting the myths in cancer as well. Me being an oncologist, it's all the more important that I stress the importance of knowing the exact facts of cancer and bursting the myths and creating more awareness. So this video is for the cancer awareness, for celebrating the World Cancer Awareness Day. In the entire month, I wish to bring about more awareness regarding this so-called deadly disease, and let me see how Inner MBBS framework will help you in your cancer journey. Hello, I am Dr. Poonam Maurya, founder at Inner MBBS, and that's your true hidden doctor, mind, body, breath and soul. Welcome. So yes, see, even in spite of so much of advancements in the treatment, diagnostics, and the way we are dealing with the patients, there are a lot of advancements in every area of cancer detection, treatment, diagnostics. But in spite of the immense advancements, the word cancer is still associated with a lot of fear. It is like people still think the moment somebody tells you, okay, you have cancer, the first thing that comes into their mind is death. Cancer is associated, synonymously thought as death. Or, they suddenly that fear comes in, that will I be alive? What will happen to my family? How am I going to lead my life? How will I go through the treatment? What will happen to my job? What will happen to my family, my kids? And the entire life comes in front of you the moment the diagnosis is disclosed, right? So let us change the attitude, the way we are talking about cancer, the way we are dealing with cancer. There are many serious diseases in the world, right? But nobody gives this much impartial treatment, I should say, so much of partiality towards cancer. So it has become a lifestyle disease, my dear friends. The problem is the way social media is depicting cancer, a very badly deformed face with a Ryle's tube and a very bad looking, sick looking scenario. And that's what remains in people's mind, that cancer is bad, cancer is very deadly. But that's not the scenario. You come and see our daycare centers, our hospitals, our cancer patients. They look just like you and me. Yes, I'm not boasting. Cancer patients, they look just like you and me. In fact, in our OPDs, when they walk in and I have to ask, who is the patient? All of them are looking fit, even the cancer patient. So these are the kind of scenarios. Cancer is not a taboo. Cancer is not a death sentence. And cancer is treatable. There are a lot of options available. I think you will relate if you have somebody in your family who is on treatment. You will relate that so many patients are doing all of their activities. They are performing all the activities of daily living, taking care of themselves, their personal care, as well as some of them who are working. They go to their offices. They are doing their jobs. Life doesn't stop with the diagnosis of cancer. So what makes it the so-called deadly is our perception of this disease. Now yes, see, the thing is that cancer, when we think, we always remember the bad scenarios. Oh, as an evolutionary point of view also, what our brain tries to remember is all the negative things. Oh, somebody died of cancer. Oh, she had suffered from lot of side effects. She lost all her hair. But do you remember that somebody got cured, or somebody on treatment is still working and starting new business, or somebody who lost hair is looking dashing beautiful and has come back? And look at our Bollywood stars. There are so many examples that have come back, and they have come back so magnificently that, oh my god, we can't believe that they had this disease, cancer. So please stop associating the stigma associated with cancer. It's no more a taboo. It's not a deadly disease. All cancers are not same. There is a small percentage of aggressive cancers wherein how much of a treatment doesn't make a difference, the cancers do win. But there are all other cancers, there are many scenarios. In fact, the early stage cancers are completely curable in most of the cases. So the idea is to detect early. So the real prevention is early detection. Early detection is the best prevention, my dear friends. So please invest in yourself. Please gift yourself annual health packages, and more than the health packages, be aware of your body. If there is any symptom nagging you, troubling you for a long time, don't sit over it. Don't sit over it. Seek medical attention and get yourself checked. Get the diagnosis done, because it's not cancer. Everything is not cancer. And rather than thinking and talking more about cancer prevention and how can we prevent cancer, please focus on well-being, your true well-being, your true health. So talk about how I can be more healthy, how I can be more happy, how I can be with full stamina, my fitness. Don't talk about how I can prevent cancer, how can I run away from cancer. Talk about wellness, talk about health, don't talk about disease. And here's where the inner MBBS framework will help you. Thank you, my dear friends. Thanks a lot.